Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So what does the Patch Tuesday look like this month? So once again, we are today at Patch Tuesday, second Tuesday of the month of January 2025. And it means that there are security updates that you have to check for updates for. So in total of all the products, that includes everything from Microsoft, with Microsoft Office and all of that, it actually accounts to 159 security updates. So that's a lot of security updates. And of course, there's two security updates that are non-Microsoft product that have to do with Microsoft Edge. So if we divide this into all the different versions of Windows, well, if you're on Windows 10, you actually have 120 vulnerabilities. That's one of the biggest Patch Tuesday I've seen for Windows 10 in a long time. 120. 5 are critical. 115 important. So that means that there are 5 critical, possibly exploited in the wild, and we'll talk about them in a separate video because it's extremely important. If you're on Windows 11, 22H2, 23H2, 120 vulnerabilities, just like Windows 10, 5 critical, 115 important. And if you're on 24H2, you got an extra one. You've got 121 vulnerabilities, but you've got 9 critical, not 5. On Windows 11 24H2 is even worse. So something's wrong on their numbers, because I see here there's a little something different. So 121 vulnerabilities, we're going to stay at that because I see that some of the numbers don't actually work well here. But anyways, more than 100 is a lot for Windows. That means Windows this month is critical. You got absolutely to patch it, because you are going to get really a lot of fixes in here. And the 5 critical are particularly important because that means they're probably exploited in the wild. I'm going to get a little more details on that because I want to know more. So these are really big Patch Tuesday updates for January 2025. And it is really important to fix all of this. So apply the updates. Remember, make sure that you've got them as fast as possible by going to your settings, going to your Windows updates in Windows 10, Windows 11, check for updates, and make sure that they are applied. If you don't see them, make sure that in update history you see that updates have applied. If we go back to the total number 159, it also includes probably the .NET Framework updates here for the total number. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.